Agent Orchestrator is the technology behind Adobe Agents. It powers the intelligence and reasoning behind these expert agents, enabling them to execute complex decision-making and problem-solving tasks at speed and scale. It also gives teams the ability to build, manage, and coordinate Adobe and third-party AI agents to meet specific business needs. Agent Orchestrator comes with 4 core components. A conversational interface that exposes the agents to tools such as AI Assistant, Microsoft 365 Copilot, Claude, or ChatGPT. A reasoning engine which interprets prompts and determines the necessary steps to accomplish a user's objectives. A knowledge base which provides context for the reasoning engine so that agents assign the right tasks to the right resources. And lastly, Agent Composer, which can be used by users to configure and customize agents to achieve specific business goals. Let's have a look at how these components operate within the existing Adobe Experience Cloud ecosystem. First of all, Agent Orchestrator is an additional platform layer that covers the full Adobe Experience Cloud. Agent Orchestrator lives on top of the data, content, and journeys ecosystem that you've been using for years. The conversational chat service operates in combination with Agent Orchestrator and marketer-facing tools such as AI Assistant. Whenever a business user, like an analyst or marketer, asks a specific question using AI Assistant, that question is processed through the conversational chat service and is then made available to Agent Orchestrator. Agent Orchestrator then starts its reasoning process, which kicks off with the coordinator layer. The coordinator layer analyzes the incoming prompt and then decides how to process it. There are 3 ways in which a prompt can get addressed. It may be that the incoming prompt doesn't require the use of an agent to provide an answer. In that case, we speak of a non-agent query, and the coordinator layer in Agent Orchestrator then provides an answer back to the business user immediately. If the incoming prompt is focused on a specific capability or question and isn't too complex, then that can be answered by an agent directly. In that case, the coordinator layer will hand it off to the agent executor, which will call the agent. If the incoming prompt involves multiple tasks, the coordinator layer will then use the plan generator layer to create a plan, and once the plan is reviewed and confirmed by the business user, the plan executor layer will then call the downstream agents to execute the plan. Both the agent executor and the plan executor then use the agent execution layer to speak to the task-specific agents. There are a lot of agents, more than what I can draw on this whiteboard, and each of these agents connects to the agent execution layer using an agent-to-agent A2A protocol. You can see agents like brand experience agents, audience agents, journey agents, data insights agents, and more. Each of these agents represents a domain of task-specific capabilities that live within the existing Adobe Experience Cloud solutions. Whenever Agent Orchestrator receives a question such as update this web page, create a new variation of a content fragment, search for specific assets, create a new embedded form, and more, Agent Orchestrator's reasoning will understand that the answers need to come from within the Adobe Experience Manager ecosystem of AEM sites, AEM assets, and AEM forms. These capabilities are connected to Agent Orchestrator as part of the brand experience agents using a variety of API requests and internally exposed MCP servers. So whenever you ask one of these questions, this is where the information in the answer is being sourced from. When you ask a question such as, which field is used to store my customer's preferred product or genre, Agent Orchestrator will understand that your question is related to XDM schemas in Adobe Experience Platform. All schema-related information is grouped as the field discovery agent, which is connected to Agent Orchestrator, just like brand experience agent before. Whenever you're asking questions related to your audiences, like what are my top 10 audiences, how much have these audiences changed over time, or create a new audience, your questions will be handled by the audience agent, which is connected to the audience's capabilities of Adobe Experience Platform. And the same story goes for journey-related questions, like what audiences are used in a specific journey, create a new journey, and more. These questions are addressed by journey agents, which is connected to Adobe Journey Optimizer. Agent Orchestrator will route questions around reporting and insights to customer journey analytics, and will look at your specific data views to help answer any question, like what were my sales in the last 6 months, or which campaigns have driven the most revenue, or give me a fallout analysis, and more. Whenever the downstream agent provides its information back to Agent Orchestrator will then analyze the provided information, and it will provide back an answer to the business user who asked the question. So far, we've only spoken about using Adobe AI Assistant to interact with Agent Orchestrator. There are other ways of using natural language to interact with Agent Orchestrator beyond AI Assistant, and that starts with Adobe Marketing Agents. Adobe Marketing Agent exposes MCP server and agent-to-agent endpoints, which means that you can connect with almost any existing non-Adobe tool to Agent Orchestrator. You can use ChatGPT, Claude, Cursor, Microsoft 365 Copilot, Google Gemini, and others to ask your questions using Adobe Marketing Agents, which will then pass your question to the downstream Adobe agents using Agent Orchestrator. Once Agent Orchestrator receives the information coming back from the downstream agents, it will be passed back to Adobe Marketing Agent into the conversation using your tool of choice. As a business user, you can now get your insights anywhere and boost your productivity. Beyond being the reasoning engine for conversations between business users and Adobe applications, Agent Orchestrator also enables developing AI-first applications on top of Agent Orchestrator. Applications like Brand Concierge, LLM Optimizer, AJO Experimentation Accelerator, and AEM Sites Optimizer have all been built on top of Agent Orchestrator already. And with Agent Composer, organizations are able to customize, configure, and manage the various Adobe agents in combination with their own agents, which will be aligned to specific brand guidelines, organizational policies, and workflow requirements. Thanks for watching this whiteboard video on Adobe's Agentic AI architecture. I'll see you in the next video.